Hi everyone, my name is Echo and it's another video for Echo's tutorial. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang solid mensuration, specifically the plane areas and volume. Sa video na ito, malalaman nyo yung basic concept about this topic and also, nag-prepare ako ng mga sample problems involving areas and volume. So, without further ado, let's move to our presentation. I may suggest na bago tayo mag-solve ng mga plane areas and volume, dapat alam natin yung mga formulas about geometrical shapes. So here are the two pictures showing the formulas of area and volume, and also the perimeter and circumference. First, let's talk about plane area. Plane area is a flat surface in which a straight line joining any two of its points lies entirely on the surface. Alam naman natin na yung isang line is binubuo ng points. So, a straight line is composed of different points. Ayan, may mga points dyan. Bago tayo makabuo ng line, alam natin na nagmula muna to sa mga points. So, ang sabi dito na yung plane area is a flat surface in which a straight line joining any two of its points. So, join daw yung points. So, if we have a straight line joining other straight line by a point, ayan, connect lang natin. Ito, point ulit. Ko-connect lang natin. So, we ended up with a figure. And this closed figure that lies on the surface, this particular space, or this is called the plane area. So let's move to our example. So let's move to our first example. Chord in the form of a square has a diagonal of 32 inches. If it is then reshaped to form a ring, find the diameter of the ring. So, here's the illustration. So, sinasabi dito na yung chord daw in the form of a square ay may diagonal na 32 inches. And, pag finorm daw natin to into a ring, so pinapanap naman daw yung diameter ng ating ring. Alam natin na yung diagonal is may formula na d is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by x. So, para makuha natin yung x, gawin lang natin denominator si square root ng 2 ni diagonal. And we'll have 32 all over square root of 2. And we have our x value na 22.63 inches. So, ang hanapin natin dito is to find the perimeter ng square. And this perimeter ng square is equivalent sa mismong circumference ng ating ring. So, in finding the perimeter ng square, alam natin na yung perimeter is equal sa 4 multiplied by x kapag square. Kasi nga, yung perimeter is the addition lang ng mga sides. Dahil pares lang naman yung sides ng bawat isa sa square, so 4 times lang ng x. So, yan. Perimeter is equal to 4x. And we have the value of x which is 22.63. Plug lang natin dito. So, perimeter is equal to 4 times ng 22.63 inches and we'll have perimeter is equal to 90.52 inches. So, sabi dito na yung perimeter ng square is equal lang sa circumference ng ring. So, alam natin, dahil diameter naman yung hinahanap dito, that the formula for circumference, pero gamit natin is diameter is equal to pi d. So, we have perimeter is equal to pi d. Plug lang natin yung value ng perimeter dito, 90.52 inches. Tapos, para makuha natin yung diameter, i-divide lang natin si pi dito kay perimeter. So, diameter is equal to 90.52 inches all over pi and we'll have 28.81 inches as our diameter ng ring. For second example, a rectangle has length of twice its width. If the diagonal of rectangle is 45 cm, find its width. So dito sinasabi na yung length daw ng ating rectangle is twice its width or dalawang beses ng width yung ating length. At meron daw tayong diagonal na 45 cm. So pinapanap sa atin yung width ng ating rectangle. So for the illustration, so ang sabi 45 cm yung ating diagonal and yung length natin is twice ng width. So we have here 2 width. So mapapansin nyo na yung diagonal natin is naka-form ng right triangle. So gagamitin natin yung formula ng Pythagorean theorem, which is equal sa C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Kung kaya't, kung ipa-plug in natin yung ating formula dito sa ating mga given values sa problem, so we'll have W squared plus L squared is equal to 45 squared. Na kung saan yung 45 squared natin, ito yung C, and itong A squared plus B squared is yung W squared plus L squared naman. So ang gagawin lang natin is to plug in natin to W squared para magkaroon tayo ng common variable. Ayan. So we have W squared plus open parenthesis to W close parenthesis squared is equal to 45 squared. And we'll have W squared plus 4W squared is equal to 45 squared. So so just to combine like terms here, and we'll have 5W squared is equal to 45 squared. So, tanggalin lang natin yung 5. Tapos, apply natin yung exponent dito. And we'll have 2025. Divide natin sa 5. And we'll have W squared is equal to 405 cm squared. Tapos, tanggalin natin yung square root para makuha natin yung W. And we'll have 20.12 cm as the value for our width. Our last problem for our plane area, a chord is shaped to enclose a square whose area is 144 square inches. It is then reshaped to enclose a rectangular form whose width is 8 inches. Find the length of rectangle. So dito, pinapahanap naman sa atin yung length ng ating rectangle. So, ang sabi dito, a chord is shaped to enclose a square whose area is 144. So, meron tayong square muna na kung saan i-reshape into a rectangle na meron namang width na 8 inches. So, for illustration, goes like this. So, sabi, di ba, meron tayong area na 144 sa square na kung saan i-convert natin into rectangle na merong 8 inches na width. So, for the solution, alam natin na area ng square is equal to x squared. So, just to find the side, 144, squared lang natin yung dalawa. Yan, x natin is equal sa 12 inches. So, for the perimeter ng square, we have 4 multiplied by 12 inches. And we got 48 inches for the perimeter ng square. So, for the perimeter ng square, equal siya sa perimeter ng ating rectangle. Na kung saan yung perimeter ng rectangle ay may formula na 2 length plus 2 width. Yan. So, alam natin na parehas lang naman yung value nila. So, 48 yung perimeter natin is equal sa 2 length plus 2 multiply natin sa width. Yan. We'll have 16 inches as the value of the length ng ating rectangle. Let's move to volume. Volume is defined as a 3-dimensional space enclosed by a boundary or occupied by an object. So, dito, alam natin na yung volume, if A shape, nagsisimula muna yan sa plane. saan ito yung Y, ito yung X, ito yung Z. Na kung saan sa plane na to is merong mga connecting points. And yung connecting points na yun, kapag ating kinonect, is makaka-form tayo ng isang shape. So, yan. Bear with my drawing. Example natin is yung ating cube. Ayan. For example, yung cube is a 3-dimensional shape. Ano pa ba yung mga ano? Yung cone is a 3-dimensional shape. Also, yung cylinder is a 3-dimensional shape. And also, yung pyramid. Ayan, yung pyramid natin. Ayan. Ayan yung mga klase ng iba't ibang 3-dimensional shape na kung saan sinosolve natin pagdating sa volume. At ang unit ng isang volume is cubic unit. Is in cubic unit siya. So, let's move to our example. If one of the edge of a cube measure 12 cm, calculate the surface area and the volume of the cube. So, yung cube, alam naman natin na yung mga sides doon are equal lang. And, sinasabi dito na yung edge daw ng ating cube is meron 12 cm. So, pinapanap sa atin yung surface area and yung volume ng ating cube. So, for illustration, ayan siya. So, the solution for this is that surface area is equal to 6 multiplied by squared, x squared. Kasi alam natin na this one is the surface area, is a face. Ito rin face siya, ito rin face. Sa ibaba nito, ito if we're going to make here, it's another face. And here, if we're going to connect this one is another face, and the back is another face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This face the whole one. So we have 6 surface area. So 6 multiplied by 12 squared. We have 6 multiplied by 144 centimeter squared. And we'll get surface area as 864 centimeter squared. So for the volume, we have the formula, volume of square is equal to x cubed. So multiply lang natin yung side ng tatlong beses. So 12 times 12 times 12, and we'll have a volume ng ating square as equal to 1,728 centimeter cube. That's our final answer. If the volume of sphere is 345 cm cube, solve for its diameter. So dito, may given tayo na volume ng sphere which is equal to 345 cm cube, at pinapanap sa atin yung diameter ng ating sphere. So for the illustration, yan. So for the solution, so for the volume ng sphere, V is equal to 4 all over 3 multiplied by pi r cube. So dito, kunin natin yung radius. Na kung saan yung radius is equal naman siya sa, na kung saan yung radius is important para makuha natin yung diameter. Kasi yung diameter is twice the radius. Yan. Plug lang natin yung volume natin na 345 cm cube. Tapos manipulate lang natin. We'll have cube root ng 345 cm cube all over 4 over 3 pi. So, we'll get the R. R is equal to 4.35 cm. So, yun nga, sabi ko na yung diameter is twice ng radius. Plug lang natin ulit. And we'll have the value for our diameter na equal sa 8.70 cm. Test yourself. So, dito nag-prepare ulit ako ng tatlong items na pwede nyong subukang sagutan. And also, itong mga questions na ito is nasa book ito. So, mahanap nyo rin yung mismong solution if hindi nyo kaya. And if nag-try kayong isolve, tapos gusto nyong i-check yung mismong answer is nasa book to. So, good luck. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye!